Bwansu Bwomogusi.
Marago bengi umanchu murigereria na inde na kwariganiria semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba ekerango komanyanga nararia ya na kwariganiri asenjera yobwenge na bakogendera gutubwatia wetera senjera ye mitandao Ndizi TV News na baigo asensemo ya YouTube tubwate buna Ndizi TV News egeronyora ayaiga amo na yanda mange ngwira nande asegeke kekerebosyo egerango komanyanga nararia ya guse na kwariganiri. Nje ni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita amonole tokubwaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tigato ya chake korwase county ya Kisii abwasema mbia ya lero oyokoliye kirugo kyobo governor county ya Kisii omoske Simbarati omosenata we county ya Kisii osomo bunge wensemo ya Kitutu Chache South Richard Onyonka amo nomokonyo Simba oyokoro kwa buna Robert Munda baumerana naba MCA kurwase county assembly ya Kisii wetania aba MCA emeronge tato abwase bateba gusebatiana guchakomosira Simba aseganga ya yokoliya ekerogo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii kerenga nigo bateba buna nigo batagete koirania embwa yekiama kya UDM buna yarenge umwaka w'ikirwibere na isano na ibere ekere kyamekyo kyabwate abantu bago kyakoboko anene mano kurwa sorongo rwa Nyanza asensemo ya Kisii. Noyo kuligia ekerugo kyobo governor boige county ya Kisii omusubatire Chotundo nigo bono abolire serikali ye county ya Kisii inyareko bage kwena na chibasari gochia saborokiwa abo bakorwa se chinyumba chintaka gusasa bayiboli bali batali kwenyara korengana no Tundo nigatebire gwetani myaka 3 bono abayiboli batana gusirwa gweterase ebasari yo abwasa tebire boigo nekerenge kekimagie chibesa aborokiwa bakunyara ko bagokonywa nigo igo abolire wizara yobolemie county ya Kisii banyare ko babako bekemero bulyo bene elikone kyabuna obwoyongo kei wabole aserigoli elia bali mikurwa se county ya Kisii banyare gokonyeka
tegete konyoria county government nabayiboli mbagendere kulira for the 3 years batana kono le basari yabo tukaboria mangane pasari magategwa chase form baada wachapata pasari wana tukuliranga hakibuna babungire skuruga kibago tukwirana hakibana wale pasari chabo chiabere ekina kituko koboria aye governor yaito ensure that our people have been given their bursary because it's their right to be given their bursary irindera libara nyare kokonyera abana baiturande tutete kotebaiga tutete kotebana ne bursary ye constituency era ya very problem when sana na wana ji constituency inchire na cyabanya libali abantu bako gusiringiri gwe amuna 500 1200 wana gwa kuminga 1200 akipasari era 1200 na cyakonya bana look for a way and ensure ngachibase chi bursary cha very given enough chibase chire sana ke chikokonya abantu baitokia gara omonte libwe transport ya cherite yo ka konya go fire chi form ko ira no gukora kieke at the end of the day kwanya chibase chinchire kokonya give money that is reasonable arito na turanya gukonya abana baito na ni mwari ne ke gwango kyo mwana kya mbara bataka mono barora bataka ke na bandi barora bakumanji kwenyara ake indi mwabeka chibese cha banga chiko ba given in accordance to the need ikiagera boniga ligori uboyo lia chire iguru ntaje tukonyoria account government nini mutenere tamangana agriculture etoko sabanga abantu bandi basi gusimeka nane bituma na agriculture backbone ito tubaso tukobantu tuhanonye food security inkobori president gali ngakiyakora ato ekeri yose subsidy nkego ekonya mangana agriculture na mangana uboyo because it's a big issue the same time tukubori to account government enye kunara go supplement mangana uboyo abasira nya go supplement like the others are doing abarabuga akitego bacha kokoboko ilinda abantu baito basimeke because as far as we are concerned tusoko bantolema ane nto simeka ni nchare che gutoria it will be more difficult and more expensive gocha kulinda abantu baito
na basae kurwa sekyombe kya Empowered Youth Coalition of Kenya nigo bono barurege kurege tindi go chia sabantu anene mana basubati abo babwatembwa yo korusia marito chinga kibanyoriro burito korengana no director bo Aselieta Tobias na Uruki nigatebiro korusio burito negente kebe nande nabokera baisakoreta mangana makongwa se afya ya mwanyabantu nigo baya kwa naya igana balikia mangana imemwe cho Nairobi abwase baru mubwekano bwense ya Iran abwase gwetania bakusubati gosaba kungu elibweyemo bakorusia marito kera ewiki
coalition press statement on standing in solidarity with the Iranian pro-life movement. Dear fellow Kenyans and people of goodwill, despite the ravages of COVID pandemic globally, coupled with the loss of lives and livelihoods, we remain mindful and grateful for the continued good health and protection. We wish to sincerely express our condolences to all the families in Kenya and around the globe, including some who are with us today, that have not been as fortunate and have lost so many of their loved ones. May they find grace and strength even as we continue to face hardships caused by the pandemic. Now is the time our government expenditure to focus on public health and mitigation of the effects of COVID-19 and other diseases that Kenyans and Africans are suffering from.
No yokoligie kergo kyobo jumbe ase constituency ya Bomachoge chache Abdalla Matoke nigaganiria boroki gwaba guchaka matemwe wiki gocha Amaya na goteba buna ayuna matemwa akobakora baba bantabalemereri na koba bantu abaya asa matukali bosio Matoke nigo baigo aboliria barai bali bakoligia oborai ase birgo au asorogongorwa busi na Kenya ngima kurario molembe
Ngante kubandiria abana bawo gukora amatemu or especially abana bawo gukora amatemu master 8 ndete kubatakira kinga kicingiye na ikingororo banyale kunyura tubasubire bakora amatemu asengere yo goro ekora nguchweka bali nabo igo na bali baje gukora amatemu form 4 na bara kutete kwa wisheli ya kinga kicingiye mapema ekora amatemu bawo cyaka banyole na bara bumbe nyuri tubasubire baita amatemu bono asama kana siasa ayagusi osikenye ngima ege tugio kana njina ta kubekerio iria nenkelinga abantu baminto abagusi gato baba itongo to baba twereru to baba tabaya usikabara kebirogo ngobirigitore to ligie birogo nekeriria ndanyare kumia ngasengi to kuligo buraibwe constituency osuburaibwe county abagaka baraga mbire seti abasikwe no nyerende kiga kichabe kara chiko era chiera na musikana
Omokonyi bumurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigathabira bacholi bolibosio asense ya Kenya no bwenge ncho chokegima abwasa tabira boigo Kenya nense bwato bosibole na igo keromo Kenya na bwatalibaga lyogochora omurai oliorache komokonya kimagenderero nigo boigo aboliria ba Kenya komwalibaga elyogochaka bomurai yo gatano bwense ache kwanakia amagenderero asense ito ya Kenya nigaya kwana ya chinga keika asense ya White White House imiomoche bwa America asare aetaro yaye asa matuko 18 imeyense yo ya US.
We are all determined to make sure that this election is not about what is in it for leaders only. It's going to be about what is in it for the people of Kenya. And the people of Kenya will be making choices informed by the body of information that's available to them. First and foremost, what is critical to the people of Kenya in this election is our democracy.
Omorai bwenso moske Uhuru Kenyatta nigo atebete buna abantu bali bagucha koba abanyangongo asokolenda mazingira na baigo asokoralio morembe imense ya Kenya bono nige serikali egucha gusponsa omorobelio bokuba ebyegwa gati yabo ni chibesa chire ange milioni 2. Uhuru niga yakwaneta ya chinga kibale asomosangerekano bwomorobelio on National United Nations asensemo ya Gigir imemocho Nairobi abwasatebire omutinyo gatano na limo etalikeyamo ekerense ya Kenya guchengera omotienyi gusomwaka omadaraka day nigo abanyangonga bo baguchokoraliwa na kwegwa ebyegwa.
Biannual award. It will be accompanied by a monetary award of $20,000 and the first awardee will be announced on the 1st of June of this year, which is our Madaraka or Republic Day. And the leadership of the United Nations and the UNEP family for successfully steering the environmental ship through troubled waters and remaining steadfast and focused in implementing your core mandate. To be the only UN headquarters in the Global South, an honor that we appreciate and protect.
A more lasting accomplishment has been the shaping of the multilateral institutions that will continue to protect our environment in the years to come.
No munyakero gobwi kiama kia ODM oyobo igoro muraibu abake ase bunge na baigoro mo bunge bwense moya wasi aselieta John Badi niga tebirubuna omokonyi bo muraibu bwense William Ruto niga oboire gose niga ali no boba asengencho niga gucha kubugwa asobochori bolibosio eyemagega iyo mokonyi bo muraibu bwense William Ruto okwane nkwana yaye ime ya Maryland eyogotoka ime ya US chingaki aganetie byombe bya Chinsa Ikomi uchako mubwatesia abwasa tebetabuna ense ya Kenya wetere serikali nigero beretie guchako moibera chikura.
The political tide has changed in the country, has caused panic across to our competitors. You can obviously see that Raila Odinga is cruising to presidency. Presidency is a marathon. It is not 100 meters. You cannot run a marathon like you are running one lap race. And that is what he has been doing. Right now, he is so fatigued, he is tired, we have overtaken him, and now he has resorted into unnecessary complaints.
Omo waziri wechisemi Professor George Magoha nigo naenda rurege kurege tindi gochia saborokia amona borokiwa balibaro uberiti gochago koro boibi asa matema manene yo mwako yoiga Magoha niga tebirubuna oyo gochago toka kago korege korwekyo na imokeli wege tambo kerege tindi kieli chiko korengana na Magoha niga ganetie aborokiwa bakora matema abona konyora kendi gyonsikeli baranyore lika lyo kuibera.
We are not going to allow anybody to mess with this exam, just like we have done in the past. And for those crooks who think that we don't know what they are doing, we are watching you. Shall then decide whether we can bring back the time of opening the containers from 6 o'clock to 6:30. That will then reduce the time for the crooks. And then also to ask each individual station to be sure that if the school is next door, there is no reason to give the exam to that school 1 hour ahead of time. We have completed already more than 3,000. There are another 2,000 at roofing level. giving them 7 more days before we start the real KCP examinations to enable these 2,000 that are at roofing level to finish so that we can take the completion rate to about 95 or so %.
Abarai kuruase kanisa ya NCCK ngobono baburirie abarai ao boigabana siasa n'abakenya bonsi kwenekya bunankoralia bare omurembe bosio bw'echikura chigucha gukora ku mutinyu 5 na 3 omwaka oyo nigo batebire buna amatuka abu amaega nigo chibura buru cyanyariko bachikwenekigwa abwase baburire kero monto koralia omurembe.
We as the National Council of Churches are still working, because that is work in progress. All of us as Kenyans have that duty, and the National Council of Churches want to lead the churches of Kenya to make sure that they secure the next election and that the free will of the voters of Kenya, the people of Kenya, will be expressed in that election.
Omonogari bunge nene Justin Muturi oyo boigo oromorai wikema ya Democratic Party nigo bono atukuteirare ogochamo kwebyama ebikebike korengana na Muturi nigatebire buna chinga kichaikire ebyama ebikebike kwegwa libaga eliogokina imeense ya Kenya. Muturi nigaya kwanetaya ime county ya Kajiado chinga kyaumeranete n'ababwatani wetani achiri wibere abwase bachite gukwanera amangana ao igoro yekyama ya Democratic Party abwase bayigo batebete baguche kumusira Muturi aseganga yayo koriye kirugo kyobora ibwense ase omwako yoiga nigo bayigo Muturi atebete buna ekyama ya Democratic Party ne kyama kenene na ndi ne kyama kyairemeli ase enseito ya Kenya. Na gwikirabuo omwanchu murigereria ngwakanga mbiamono asoko gendera kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusi mbiamono sana Hedge Kenya asoko gendera kubwati murobelyo yoiga ase chinse chiga cyabono maragoba na bonsi bali bayira chinga kicyaba kurigereria amangana maya tumarana indege koraga ensemo yabono magoroba nchigo kumanya yo amana yanda mange asenchira yobwikirano. Petronila Mukeira ni producer yane olitwa waterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nako yaletera senchira yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ryubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi eriobwekere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo eriotogwekere